around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love.
Hi guys, welcome back to Being Mrs. Fraser. Hello if you are new. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. Hi, I'm Tammy, mom of 4 kiddos. We're a total family of 6 though. The hubby, me, and our 4 kiddos. We have 3 girls and 1 boy, ranging from ages to 16 down to 9. Doing a grocery haul. This is a bi-weekly grocery haul. However, this is mainly for Thanksgiving because you guys, Thanksgiving is next week. Can you believe it? I don't even know where this year has gone. I cannot believe we are less than a week away to Thanksgiving, and I am here for it. I am so excited. But anyway, first things first, you gotta clear out the fridge, kind of wipe things down. I'm not doing a deep clean or anything like that. I just noticed that some milk got spilled in there, so I kind of just wanted to wipe the shelves down a little bit before we put new groceries in. I will say that I went to Walmart and BJ's for this grocery haul, and I spent just over $300. I think my order at BJ's was $198, and at Walmart it was $89. So I will let you guys do the math, but anyway guys, definitely make sure you stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and once we are done cleaning up here, if I can talk, we will jump into this grocery haul.
In store for us, we're falling in love.
We are back from BJ's and Walmart. I got all my Thanksgiving stuff, plus a few extras to get us through the next few days until Thanksgiving. We are going to be eating hecka leftovers just to make sure the fridge is cleared out so we have somewhere to put all our yummy Thanksgiving leftovers. So let's go ahead, jump into this. We'll get started. I will tell you what is from Walmart and what is from BJ's. So let's go ahead and start. I picked up some broccoli and cheddar rice-a-roni here. This is our favorite rice. I picked this to go with our cordon bleu, which I will show you here in a second. I also picked up some Zatarain's Caribbean rice. I want to make a Hawaiian chicken, if you will. I saw it on TikTok and I thought it looked super yummy, and this is what the lady paired it with, so I thought we would go ahead and give it a try. Moving on, I also picked up some Miracle Whip. I am not a mayo girl. I love my Miracle Whip. It just has that stronger, more vinegary, I don't know, it has a bit more bite, so I love using this in potato salad, or more so for Thanksgiving, my deviled eggs. I also picked up some cans of cream corn. I make a mac and cheese corn casserole. My mom used to make it for years and years until she couldn't. And then I kind of took it over. And then once she passed, I just continued making it because I can't have a holiday without it. This is definitely one of our family staples. And it's super easy. It's literally a can of cream corn, a can of regular corn, a cup of Velveeta, a tablespoon of butter, and a cup of elbow mac. So next up is the elbow mac. We did pick up a couple boxes of this. I do quadruple the recipe. I think I have this on my channel. I'm not 100% sure. If I do, I will link it for you guys. But also, again, for the same recipe, I picked up some Velveeta. This is some pineapple chunks. This is for the Hawaiian chicken that I was telling you guys about. You use the juice and the chunks in the recipe, so we'll see how that turns out. I also picked up some La Leche sweetened condensed, or La Lechera. Sorry if I butchered that. The sweetened condensed milk. This is my favorite sweetened condensed milk, the Nestle. So I use this to make my own creamer at home instead of buying the vegetable oil filled creamer. So anyway, this is super easy. I'm pretty sure I posted a short on how to make that. If not, it's probably in one of my other videos. We're going to be having chicken tacos tonight. I will be sharing that video or that recipe in today's video, so make sure you stick around till the end. But we put shredded lettuce on our tacos, sour cream for our tacos. We are going to be making bourbon chicken. I don't use actual bourbon in bourbon chicken. I do use apple juice. So I picked up a big old thing of apple juice because I only use like the tiniest amount of it, but my kids and hubby will drink that. Speaking of Thanksgiving, I picked up some mini marshmallows. I'm going to be making a sweet potato casserole. I love it. Again, I've been making it for years for Thanksgiving, so I definitely wanted to make it again this year. It was a request from one of my kiddos. So you need 5 pounds of sweet potatoes for that. These come in 3-pound bags, so I got 6 pounds. It is what it is. And then you basically top the sweet potato casserole with the marshmallows and some pecans or pecans. We definitely call them pecans around here. Sorry if it's wrong. But yes, so these were actually cheaper to purchase than the chopped ones, so I will just chop these myself. I'm not too concerned about it. Moving a little bit away from the food here, these are from BJ's. I picked up some Jet Dry. If you are having issues getting your dishes fully clean, streak-free, fill up your rinse-aid container in your dishwasher, guys. I picked up some Cetaphil Daily Cleanser. My girls use this. We have teenage girls in the house, and this works amazing for their skin. I also picked up this from BJ's, which is the soy sauce. We use this in bourbon chicken, and then also I might make fried rice with bourbon chicken. I haven't decided. We'll see. I picked up some chili powder. It is not really cold here, but it's chili season, if you will. And I love chili powder in my chili. So I also make my own, taco seasoning. I can't talk here. But I also make my own taco seasoning, which also calls for chili powder. So that's why I picked up such a large container of it. We go through a lot of chili powder around here. More BJ's groceries here, some brown sugar. We put this in our coffee. We also are going to be using it in that sweet potato recipe that I told you guys about. Here are the chicken breasts that I was telling you about that I bought the rice for, the other rice. I love Barber Foods breaded chicken breast. We like the cordon bleu and we also like the broccoli and cheese. They're both super yummy. So I bought a couple of those. I picked up some hamburger. I got a Butterball turkey. This is not for Thanksgiving. I actually got this for free for spending $150 on my previous pickup haul from BJ's. So they gave me a $20 turkey for free. And then moving right along over here, we have some Tide. We got the Hygienic Clean Tide pods. I love these. We have some funky water down here in Florida, and I really love this. This is the only pod Tide laundry detergent that just makes your clothes smell and actually feel clean. So if you're having that problem, definitely check out the Hygienic one because it's amazing. I picked up some Roma tomatoes for our chicken tacos. I also picked up some bread. I eat toast almost every single day, probably 5 to 6 times a week. And then the hubby also takes some sandwiches to work. Not always, but sometimes. And so I just like to make sure that we are always stocked up on bread. And I actually pulled the last one out of the freezer the other day. So I needed to get restocked. If you don't know, bread freezes great. I also picked up some chicken breast. Again, we have tons of chicken recipes going on this week with chicken tacos, the Hawaiian chicken, bourbon chicken, and all the things. So I did get 2 things of chicken breast. I also picked up some Idaho potatoes for Thanksgiving. I already have another bag, so I'm not sure if we'll need more than this 5-pound bag. If we do, we have another 5-pound bag on hand, so we can make some yummy mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving. And then last but not least, I picked up some milk. I only picked up 2 gallons. I probably should have picked up more. However, I don't know that it will be able to fit in the fridge with some leftovers. So we'll go ahead and drink these, and then once we need more, I'll just pick up some more from the store. So there's the haul, guys. Let's go ahead and get everything put away. We'll go ahead, divide up the hamburger, and get those chicken tacos in the crock pot.
Come on in, come on up, come on over.
Alrighty, so it is time to get everything put away into its perspective spots. Now, I will say on our Thanksgiving day, we typically do ham. I do have a turkey here. I received that turkey for free, and I wasn't going to turn it down because times are rough, guys, and especially for our family of 6, we will take free food as it comes. I earned it, I will say, by spending, I think it was $200 previously on a pickup order at BJ's, and so they offered a free turkey with that order. I know a lot of grocery stores are doing stuff like that, so if you have a local store next or near you, definitely check that out if you are getting ready to do your holiday shopping. I know back home in Nebraska, because yes, that is where we are from, even though we currently live in Florida, Bakers, aka it's all under the Kroger umbrella. Would you spend so much, you would get a free turkey. I forget the other name of the grocery stores, but I know other groceries do that. So if you are on a little bit of a struggling or a smaller budget, definitely check those coupons out, guys, and see if your local store is doing something like that. That'll definitely help you out with the main meat to your meal. However, like I said, we do ham for Thanksgiving, we do ham for Christmas, and we do ham for Easter. All the 3 main family holiday get-togethers. We are just ham people, and it's only my dad that we serve or host. So yeah, he eats ham too, and that's his preference over turkey. And well, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. So anyway, let me stop rambling about our Thanksgiving meal and jump into the meal prep for tonight. We're cooking up chicken tacos. It is super simple. I pull out the crock pot, throw some chicken breast in. I'm sure you could do thighs if you prefer, and some taco seasoning and salsa, and turn it on low and let it sit for about 6 hours. Once it's cooked and ready to go, just shred it up and build your taco however you would like.
Come on in, get together. Come on in.
That's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Christmas.